If we should make a summary of what we discussed today, we discussed the Boolean operators today. These were which ones? The AND, OR, and the NOT. These are called the Boolean operators, and the default operator is the AND. So if you leave the gap between the words empty, it means there is an AND. Computer considers an AND between the words. Then we have the wildcard. Wildcard is this star or the multiplication sign, which helps us to search different versions of a word. And we have the special search tags. We mentioned about the search tags. The search tags, commonly used search tags, where they are used with square brackets in PubMed search. They were the title, TI, author, AU, and what else? Abstract, AB, or title abstract, TI/AB. These are the frequently used, always with square brackets, of course. Then we have the mesh terms. Mesh terms, where they come from? They come from the keywords, which the authors have given actually when they prepared or submitted their manuscript. And lastly, we discussed how to use the clinical queries option in PubMed to come up with more selected, narrow search relevant to our clinical queries. And the clinical queries could be about what? They could be about a diagnosis, a treatment, risk factor, or etiology, risk factor, or prognosis. So, in summary, that's what we discussed in today's lecture. See you another time. Take care. Bye-bye.